Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Zach with Pina Wine and Spirits. I'm here with Nick Trotter, Trotters Tonics, here to introduce our summer drink specials. First, we're going to start off with the Trotters Old Fashioned, which will be the first package available at the stores. Nick, you want to take it away here?
Thanks,
Show
Zach.
us how to make these?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thanks for the opportunity. This is the Trotters Old Fashioned. It is our recipe using the Trotters Demerara syrup available here at Pina. These are all going to be available in one package. So let's start out with the Trotters Old Fashioned. We're going to go with 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. We're going to go 1/2 ounce Trotters Demerara syrup.
That stuff's really good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We appreciate that. And then this is our Piggyback Whistle Pig 100% rye. It's a 6-year aged rye whiskey. One of my favorites.
Oh yeah, it's excellent.
Absolutely. Take 2 ounces of that. And we're gonna go right into the mixing glass with that. So we just wanna chill this drink. We don't wanna dilute it. That's why we use a copious amount of ice in our mixing glass.
Mm-hmm.
So the key here is to make sure the glass gets a nice condensation layer on the outside of it. That is how you know the drink is chilled and ready to be poured and not diluted. We don't want that whiskey to be diluted. We want all of those flavors to come through. So just give it a 10 to 20 second stir. That should be good enough. Grab your strainer. And you strain right into the glass over a rock cube. Then we like to take our orange and express the oils over the top of the drink. Make sure those oils saturate that cocktail. And we are going to top with a Luxardo cherry. Just like that. And there you have it. The Trotters Old Fashioned.
Perfect. So these will be available at all participating Pina Wine and Spirits locations. We're selling the whole bundle, how to make the drink and instructions, 10% discount. So make sure to come check these out once cap off your summer.
Cheers.
Cheers.